What it do, KTTV? This is KT, and I'm coming at you live with another episode of the Daily K Podcast. And on today's episode, we are at the 60th anniversary of the Autorama downtown Houston, Texas. And we have Mr. Ryan Brown from Gears, Wheels, and Motors in the building today. And so, take a look. Welcome to Autorama 2019 in Houston, Texas. KTTV was honored to be invited by Ryan Brown, a fellow educator, owner, and founder of Gears, Wheels, and Motors.
My background is I'm a school teacher, been a school teacher for 16 years. Yep. That's how I came to know this great gentleman right here. And my passion has been for cars for a very long time, and that's classic cars, that is. So I watched tons of videos, TV specials, all about classic cars, and I didn't see everything I wanted to see, but I went up to a lot of car shows and got to see it when I went to car shows. So I grabbed a camera and taught myself how to film, then I taught myself how to edit, and then I began an Instagram, a Facebook, a YouTube channel. I started going to shows and started making videos. And when I started making these videos, the videos started going viral on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. To my disbelief, I did not know that was going to happen. So next thing I know, I'm on planes all across America on the weekends, doing videos at car shows, getting paid for my passion and enjoying it.
Ryan turned his love of classic cars into a business by creating content that celebrates the restoration work of classic car owners.
If you had a classic car and you went to a show and it was cool and you're driving through, I get a video of it. Okay. I'm gonna make a video of your cool car. I'm gonna go into the interior, I'm gonna go into the engine bay, I'm gonna show the rims, I'm gonna show the whole car, and I'm gonna try to maybe ask you a question or two, but the whole thing is I'm gonna show you a car, and I'm gonna show you driving your car.
Ryan has built Gears, Wheels, and Motors from the ground up. By accomplishing this feat, he has earned access to one of the most prestigious car shows in Las Vegas, SEMA.
I go to events all across America. As you know, if you're a car person, you know the Holy Grail is SEMA. Yeah. SEMA is the car show that's in Vegas. Mm-hmm. Vegas is the show where you can't buy a ticket in. You have to be in the industry, work for Ford, Chevy, or some specialty aftermarket equipment, thing that someone is selling and that you're showcasing. So it's a big showcase show, and that is the #1 show that you want to go to.
As Ryan has worked to make Gears, Wheels, and Motors a leader in the car video industry, he wants to remind young entrepreneurs and car enthusiasts that each business must have a starting point.
I slept in a car when I first started doing videos. I would sleep in a rental car. I would take videos and then edit videos and then start putting them out. They started going. Yeah. Now I'm sleeping in nice hotels, getting paid to go, getting paid while I'm there. Mm-hmm. You start somewhere. You got to start somewhere. Okay. You got to pay your dues. Mm-hmm. So you have to start somewhere, and half the battle is showing up, because I showed up and I put out without being paid for it. Now I'm getting paid for it.
We'd like to thank Ryan for talking to the KTTV audience today. If you'd like to hear more about the background of Gears, Wheels, and Motors, or how Ryan balances being an educator and entrepreneur, go to kttv.com for the full interview. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to let me know your favorite part of this video. This is KT for KTTV signing off. 100.